what is the worst case running time of insert and extract min? That means this question is asking what is the worst case running time for the insertion and the extract min in an implementation of a priority queue. So they are asking about the queue using an unsorted array, means the array is given which is unsorted. Assume that all insertion can be accommodated, means there is no restriction given of memory, and these are the options which they are giving us. To solve this question, let us assume that there is a unsorted array which is making a priority queue. So in the data structure, we are assuming that there is a priority queue which is implemented using unsorted array. Now let us suppose that there are few elements and the elements are unsorted, means they are not in the sorted manners. Let us suppose those elements are 7, 1, 6, 2, 8, 11. Now all of you are aware that in a queue of data structure, there are two pointers. One is rear, which is representing the last element, and one is front, which is representing the first element of the queue. The insertion in the queue always take place from the rear end, and deletion in the queue always take place from the front. So when they are saying the first option, the worst case complexity or worst case running time of insert element, let us suppose that I have to insert a element which is 12. So I have to go to the rear, and after that on the next we have to insert the 12. So now afterward the new rear position will be there. To going at this location, we have to do little effort, and which is equal to theta of 1, because the rear pointer is pointing to the last location of the queue, and there on the next we have to put the element. That's why it is theta of 1. So we have to do this work with only theta of 1 running time. The next they are saying worst case running time of extract minimum. Now from this queue we have to find out the minimum, and they are saying that this is unsorted. When this queue is unsorted, which is formed by the array, then for finding the minimum we cannot rely on the front or the rear. We have to traverse the complete queue from start to end and then find out the minimum element, because minimum element can be there or it can be on the last element. So that means if there are n elements, then we have to go and traverse all the n elements. So there the complexity or the worst case running time will be theta of n, because if the n elements are there in the unsorted manner, then we have to traverse all the n elements to find out the minimum. But in the reverse case, if suppose they give us the sorted array, then if the array is sorted, then that complexity will become theta of 1, because again if there is ascending, then it will be on the starting, and if it is a descending, that will be on the last. But there, as they are giving us the unsorted array, so it will be theta of n. So the correct answer for this question will be first option.